Hello, and welcome to my presentation, Be Well, a strengths-based approach to increasing physical activity and enhancing well-being at Salem College. High levels of stress, anxiety, depression, and sedentary behaviors have become major public health threats among college students. Salem College is no exception. Of particular interest, Salem students are trending worse than the national averages. What's a potential solution? Increase physical activity and get moving. Seems simple, but not so much with limited funding. There are two paths from which to choose: a deficit approach, where focus is placed on all the things we are not, or a strengths-based approach, where we identify existing resources and capitalize on what's right and good about our circumstances. The purpose of this study is to identify existing resources and develop evidence-based strategies to enhance physical activity and well-being at Salem College. Aims include to identify existing resources within the Salem College community to increase PA participation opportunities for students. Number 2, to develop an appropriate framework and evidence-based strategies for PA programming at Salem College. And number 3, to implement evidence-based PA program recommendations for the Salem College community. This study will utilize a sequential explanatory mixed methods approach, beginning with quantitative data collection and analysis, then followed by qualitative processes. 3 phases of research include the information gathering phase, designed to identify current PA resources within the college community, a planning phase, designed to incorporate findings from the gathering phase and the literature to design new programs and expand current programs, and an implementation phase, or an execution of programming. I can argue from experience and evidence that self-care and being well is the foundation for personal and professional success. From that stance, one's well-being is integral to any professional field. If kinesiology is truly holistic and integrative, well-being or quality of life should be included in the field. In closing, my hope through this study is to increase PA through fun activities and ultimately enhance well-being for Salem College students. Thank you for listening.